Traveling abroad for the first time is exciting, but it also comes with risks many people ignore. Most new travelers focus on flights, hotels, and visas. They rarely think about emergencies. Travel insurance becomes the most important protection during this journey. First-time travelers often assume nothing will go wrong. They believe planning tickets and documents is enough. But accidents, illness, and unexpected events can happen anytime. Insurance prepares you for those moments. Travel insurance protects you from medical expenses abroad. Hospitals in Europe and the UK are expensive. Even a simple treatment can cost thousands. Insurance helps cover those costs. Many first-time travelers do not understand what travel insurance includes. It covers emergency treatment, hospitalization, and sometimes evacuation. These benefits become life-saving during serious situations. Protection is the priority. Visa applications also require insurance in many countries. Officers check coverage and validity carefully. Incorrect insurance can delay approval. Proper planning improves success. Travel insurance must match your travel duration. If dates are incorrect, your visa risk increases. Accuracy matters more than people think. Small mistakes cause big problems. Beginners often choose the cheapest insurance available. They think saving money is smart, but weak policies fail during emergencies. Strong coverage is always better. Insurance also supports lost luggage situations. First-time travelers often carry valuable items. If luggage is lost, insurance helps recover costs. This reduces stress. Flight cancellations are common during international travel. Insurance can cover rebooking expenses. Without coverage, costs increase quickly. Financial protection matters. Travel insurance supports emergency return situations. Medical or family emergencies may require immediate travel. Insurance helps manage such cases. Planning avoids panic. Many first-time travelers ignore policy terms. They do not read coverage details. This leads to misunderstandings later. Awareness prevents mistakes. Insurance must include medical emergency coverage. Hospitalization support is critical. Weak policies create serious risks. Strong coverage ensures safety. Travel insurance providers must be reliable. Unknown companies reduce credibility. Trusted providers increase visa approval chances. Reputation matters. Travelers must compare policies before buying. Understanding benefits helps choose better. Preparation leads to safer travel. Knowledge builds confidence. First-time travelers should check coverage limits. Medical protection must be sufficient. Low coverage creates financial risk. Planning improves safety. Insurance also helps during trip delays. Unexpected disruptions affect schedules. Coverage reduces stress and financial loss. Support is essential. Many beginners think insurance is unnecessary. They assume emergencies will not happen. Reality proves otherwise. Prepared travelers stay protected. Travel insurance supports financial planning. Emergencies abroad are expensive. Coverage prevents major losses. Security improves travel experience. First-time travelers must plan responsibly. Insurance protects both health and money. It ensures support when needed most. Preparation creates confidence. Insurance must include evacuation benefits. Serious situations require medical transport. Weak policies ignore this. Strong coverage protects travelers. Travel insurance also shows responsibility. Visa officers evaluate preparation. Strong policies improve credibility. Planning increases approval chances. Travelers must check policy validity carefully. Dates must match the entire trip. Mismatch creates problems. Accuracy is essential. Insurance documents must be authentic. Fake policies lead to rejection. Officers verify details carefully. Genuine coverage builds trust. First-time travelers must avoid last-minute decisions. Rushed purchases create mistakes. Careful planning improves outcomes. Preparation ensures safety. Travel insurance protects against unexpected injuries. Accidents can happen anytime. Coverage supports treatment. Protection is necessary. Insurance also supports financial stability. Medical bills abroad can be overwhelming. Coverage reduces risk. Planning protects savings. Many travelers regret ignoring insurance. Emergencies change perspectives quickly. Preparation prevents regret. Smart travelers plan early. Insurance selection should happen before visa submission. Proper coverage strengthens the application. Weak policies create doubts. Planning improves approval. Travel insurance becomes a safety shield abroad. It supports health and finances. It provides confidence during travel. Protection improves experience. Beginners must learn policy exclusions. Not all situations are covered. Understanding terms prevents problems. Awareness builds confidence. Insurance must be destination appropriate. Coverage requirements vary by country. Choosing the right policy matters. Planning ensures safety. Travel insurance must be taken seriously. It is not just a formality. It protects real situations. Preparation saves travelers. First-time travelers must prioritize protection. Safety comes before savings. Strong insurance ensures peace of mind. Planning leads to better travel. Travel insurance supports safe exploration. It allows travelers to focus on experiences. Emergencies become manageable. Protection improves confidence. Before traveling abroad, choose insurance wisely. Check coverage, provider, and validity. Preparation reduces risks. Smart planning ensures success. Travel smart, stay protected, and plan responsibly. Travel insurance becomes your strongest support abroad. First-time travelers must prioritize safety. Preparation leads to successful journeys.